In this video, we'll walk through how to submit a mileage reimbursement in Ramp. To submit a mileage reimbursement, you'll want to be in your Home tab here. You'll select the new drop-down on the top right and then select Reimbursement. From here, you'll click New Mileage. Enter the trip details including the distance traveled, the date, the memo describing the purpose of travel, and any accounting fields that need to be coded. Up top here, you can select if it's a one-way ride or a round-trip ride. You can also switch between miles and kilometers. If you do have a receipt, you can upload it here. Let's start by entering our location. And then you'll enter in your destination, and a map will populate to the right showing the route taken. On the bottom here, you'll see the trip distance, the IRS gas rate, or your customized rate if you entered that, and these two will be multiplied, and then you'll see how much gas should have cost. From here, under other details, if you're submitting on behalf of yourself, make sure it says your name here, and as an admin and manager, you can submit for others as well. Here you could indicate the trip date. The memo will be automatically also filled out with this information of the miles traveled and your location information, and then you can also add the accounting category. And then over here is where you could add any optional fields such as what fund was used and if this was for a specific trip. These three dots will allow you to delete it, duplicate it, or make it a reoccurring submission. If you want to simply save the draft and are not ready to submit it, you can just click Home and it'll save it for you that you could always get back to or delete at a later time. Because mileage reimbursements are typically calculated based on distance and a rate, accuracy really matters here. So double check the distance and any required fields before submitting. Once you've verified everything, go ahead and click Submit. Once submitted, your request will follow the same approval flow as other reimbursements. You have now seen how to set up reimbursements, configure your submission policy and approvals, add a bank account, and submit both out-of-pocket and mileage reimbursements. Now you and your employees can submit reimbursements with confidence and start getting the full value from Ramp today.